Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is something different again. I think you know what it is, and you can have a look. It's Chanel. Okay guys, let me remove my sunglasses so you can have a look. And I need to drink. I've been drinking red wine, so I have to continue drinking, So over the few days, I went to Zurich and I bought what I've been waiting for. They told me it's here and I was really happy to have it. And I added it to my collection. And the other thing, guys, I will make a video to explain to you why I buy prestigious stuffs. So I bought something that is elegant, timeless. Everyone knows Gabrielle Chanel. Everyone they like to post those quotes about her. But sometimes they have no idea like why she designed certain things like this. So I'll explain a little bit about why she designed something like this. And then you're going to know a little bit about it, So let's start, guys. My unboxing. Yes. So we are going to start, guys. You can check. And you can see. So guys, you can have a look. So let's start to remove this. Then you know what comes. You can see what's inside. So here we go. Voila, you can see. Yes, guys. Let me drink. Okay. Oh my goodness. You know what, guys? There is also 2 years guarantee. If anything goes wrong, have to bring it to them. 2 years guarantee. Let's continue. I should not waste your time, So it's unboxing time. Yes, you can see. You can see. You can see. Oh, let me just try to get everything here. Let me put down. Then I can show you. This is my, yes, I'm sure you want to know my size. That's my size. Yes, guys, these are my shoes. And this is everything here. And then let me show you the price. And that's a price. So the price is 850 Swiss francs. It's kind of like the same as in dollars. Yes. So why did she design shoes like this? Now let me explain to you. So Gabrielle Chanel was short. She wasn't tall, she was short and putting on 39, size 39, which is Europe, EU, Italian, size 39. So she designed this classic slingback, here black, and here you can have a look, so that people can see as if you have a smaller size. Yes, you can see. So when I put on this, I'll be looking like I have a smaller size. Actually, I'm not even taller. I am 163, but I have a big shoe size. So guys, you have a look, and my guarantee, my 2 years guarantee and everything here. Here guys, let me show you. So excited, I can't wait, you know, I can't wait to rock them. Yes, so this is what's in my collection. Yes, so on the next video I'll try to explain more why I buy certain types of items, you know, because you want to sell them, you don't sell them cheap. That's a thing. So we just don't buy things just because we want to buy things, you know. I might be shopaholic, but I see certain types of things to buy. I just don't buy things. So thank you for watching, guys, and please tell your friends and friends to see more videos, to subscribe. Then we can enjoy this moment, you know. That's the thing, guys. Have a nice time while watching this video, and please don't forget to drink wine. Like me, don't forget. Okay guys, bye.